Hi everyone, welcome to another project where we are going to learn something about Gmail filters, Gmail attachment management, and basically you can create a client management software using a Gmail filter. Imagine you are a finance advisor to a lot of companies and they keep sending documents to you. Then in this project you'll be able to segregate the attachments sent by the different clients and manage them properly so that you don't have to look into the Gmail. Apart from that, you are also going to see how we can create filters in the Gmail. So let's get started. So first thing is I have created a folder called Gmail filter in my Google Drive, and inside that I have this Google Sheet called email filter. In this email filter I have some columns specified where date, time, client ID, number of attachments, subject, and what's the name of the folder where it has to be moved, and confirmation. And here I have the email of the client and the ID of the client mentioned here. On the right hand side I have the Gmail open where we don't have any new emails right now. So what I will do now is I'll go ahead and send an email to myself from another ID. Now I have sent a logo, and when I refresh my email I can see that there is a logo file here, right? And what I will do now is I'll just go ahead and go to my script here and execute the onOpen method, which will give you a menu right here called Gmail filter. So under the Gmail filter I have three options: scan Gmail, download attachments, and trigger. So trigger is, when you don't want to do it manually, we are setting a trigger because it's written caution here because it has to be done only once. This trigger has to be set up and it will work automatically. So once you set up this project you don't have to do it again and again, right? But first thing is, let's check manually how it works. I click on scan, and now what happens is it fills up the email address, number of attachments, subject line, and that is the email has been received, right? When I go to customers I can see the email of this person and I can say I can give a nickname to that company, like here I'm giving client 215, right? Now I go back and in my parent folder there is a folder called exports. Now I come back to the sheet and click on to make it more visual, maybe I can just keep them side by side here. And yeah, again, that is the problem I'm facing, is organizing things. Okay, now I'll go here and click on download and let's see what happens. In the exports folder I got a folder created by the client ID, and inside the client ID I got the attachment that is sent by that particular client, and my email is now clicked as filtered, right? And my download has been updated as yes. Okay, now let me repeat the process. Let me send another email and let's see what happens. And now another mail I have sent from the other ID where a brochure has been emailed. Okay, so some more documents have come from the same person. Now we can see that the attachment is not there and there is no label, and I'll just go here and click on download, and we can see in this folder don't have the attachment because first thing is we have to scan. So once we scan it, it is going to add the label, to the particular Gmail, and after the scanning is complete we can go ahead and download. Then it's going to download the attachment and mark it as filtered, and from filtered it will mark it as moved, this label, right? So the label was filtered, now it has been marked as moved, and next time onwards it will not be checked anymore. So that is the way, you know, we can do attachment management. Now when we add more clients, we can give them more names and their attachments will automatically be managed every day. So now I'm going to take you through, you know, how to set up this project from scratch, and hope you'll find it useful. Thank you.